happening, everybody? Welcome today. So we are back on stream. As always, we are back on stream. Just hoping everybody's doing well. Hoping we're all having a beautiful Friday. Beautiful Friday. Hope you guys are having a beautiful Friday. And gold right now is breaking that support level. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's breaking that support level right now. You know, and I'm just thinking, well, maybe we could get into a trade. That's my thought right now. Just thinking maybe we could get into a trade. Go and subscribe. Yes, go and subscribe. Mr. Nas in the booth. No, this is not a booth, man. This is not a booth. This is not a booth. Alrighty? This is by far close to a booth. Okay? By far. Welcome, big man. Welcome, man. Hope you're good. Hope you're having a good time. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if maybe God can really break that support level. It's been ranging for some time. You know, I'm gonna wait a little bit just to see if maybe it can break. You know, because sometimes it might look like a break and now it tends to be a fake out. And the fact that it's actually a Friday, anything can actually happen. Trust me, anything can happen. You know, anything can happen. Anything can happen right now. Okay, but this is the range we're in. This is about like how many points range? This is about 100-point range. Yes, it's a 100-point range. So anything could really happen. But I think the best thing we can do is to wait. To wait and see if maybe this candle, right, could actually break this support level. All right, if maybe it can break that support level. I'm coming for the bootcamp. Yes, come for the bootcamp. And we opened registration yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So you guys can register right now. Apparently we only have like 10 seats, but guess what? 7 seats gone already. You might think that's the story, but 7 seats gone already. So meaning we have just like two more seats, right? So there's a link, I think, somewhere you guys can, you know, register for. It's going to be so legendary. It's going to be exclusive. It's going to be a very interesting bootcamp. We've done this kind of sets in the past and they've been so informative. I know for a fact that it's always so informative. All right. So if you can be a part of it, right, it's going to be hosted right here at our, in our boardroom. We have a boardroom here. So we're going to host it there. All right. So yeah. Always an honor to attend your streams. Nice. It's always an honor to have you on the streams, right? So my focus, right, as we are looking at this particular chart, where is my brush? Why did I take it out? Oh, it's here. Okay. Okay. Allow, and there we go. Okay, fine. So my focus is, you see this candle here, right? It's a big body candle. All right, and the fact that gold has actually been bearish, right, recently. So the idea is that maybe if we can break this level, which is like 28 what? That's 28.50, is it correct? Looks like it. If we can break that level, maybe we can continue going to the downside. You know, maybe we can continue going. That's 28.50. Yeah, 28.50. So maybe if we can break that level based off a candle closing below, then perhaps maybe we can continue going to the downside. Right? How far beyond? I'll show you guys that there were. Always good to see you. Always good to see you, man. Always good to see you. I can't wait to meet you someday. I'm always here, man. You know where to find me. I'm glad to be here today. Awesome. How's your Friday going? My Friday is good, man. It's a chilled Friday. It's raining today. It's been a raining day. Yeah, and I just stepped out to just see the rain. It's just crazy. You know, it's a raining day. But that's the beauty anyway. I think I love this kind of weather, you know, like it's just chilled, it's raining, and yeah, I think I enjoy that. It's a beautiful weather. Let's not forget to like, guys. Yes, let's go. Let's all like the stream ASAP. And be sure to also talk back to me. I want to hear what you think. I want to hear where you need clarity. I want to hear, you know, where you need help. Because that's the whole reason why I come on these streams. It's just basically to bring clarity. It's just basically bringing clarity, right? Yeah, that's it. And I enjoy to obviously just give you guys trades and all of that. Right, but this week for me has been it hasn't been a good week, I should say, trading wise. I think I've taken like 3 trades in total. I lost on 2 trades. I only won on 1 trade, right? So now I'm back like break even, and you know, it just sucks. But I mean, I have weeks like that where it's just like a, you know, a terrible week, and you have to let them in. Like, you have to really let them in. because it's part of trading. It doesn't mean if you have like one bad week or one bad day that the entire trading, trading period is going to be bad. No, it doesn't mean that. So I think it's just one of those weeks. But let's see if maybe we can catch a trade on gold, and maybe that could be an amazing trade. Let's see if we can do that. If we can, it should be a very amazing trade, right? Because now this candle has created a high there, and if we can break this low, all right, I'm gonna get into a sell, all right. I'm gonna get into a sell, and I'm gonna put my stop somewhere here, and I'm gonna look for a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio, all right, maybe something like this. Okay, then I should, yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, that looks good. But let's see, can we break that level? If we can, maybe that's gonna be a good shot. Are you looking at Nasdaq too? Yes, I will look at Nasdaq as well. Don't worry about that. We just started the stream actually, so I'm gonna look at Nasdaq as well very, very soon. Why don't you have an online bootcamp? Because we just don't have as yet, but maybe when we do, you're gonna join. But again, at the same time, if you're gonna join the, okay, I think I'm gonna take a sale right now on gold. Yeah, man, I think I'm gonna take a sale right here. Yeah, if you want to take it with me, all good. Yeah, there we go. Took a sell. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Maybe we can make some money. Maybe we can make some money here. Ooh, look at that. Moving right now. Maybe we can make some money. And it will be a very good Friday if we make some money here. But if we lose, oh, it's gonna hurt. Really gonna hurt. But it's gonna be one of those losses that you have to take. But I took a trade right there. Simple price action, simple concepts. There's volume right here. Okay, there's a lot of volume. You can see the candle here, how it's closing. Price is leaving this range, so most likely volume is being unleashed the downside, right? And if volume is being unleashed the downside, we just want to take trades only in the direction of volume. All right, so let's see. Let's see what happens. Maybe it could be a good trade. Maybe it could be a good trade. Who knows? It could be a good trade. Someone says, when is your birthday? My birthday is the 23rd of December. Someone says, is it raining where you are? Yes, it's raining where I am. Are you looking at Nasdaq? Yes, I will. How is the 50K challenge going? Man, it's going so, I would say not good. Yeah, I would say not good because this week has been very, very bad. Yeah, took one big win. Made like 17,000. No. I made like 9,000 to 17,000 overall. So I moved my account from like 7,000 to like 17,000 in one trade. Then I took the next trade and I lost was it like 1,000? Then I took the other trade. I lost like, I think about like 7,000, if not, 6 to 7,000 yesterday, which is really crazy. So now I'm down like to 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Yeah, but let's see. Maybe today could be the lucky day. What profit ratio for beginner trade? 1-to-2 risk reward ratio is good. 1-to-2, 1-to-3 is good. Check out Nasdaq also. Yes, I will check out Nasdaq also. How often do you go live here? My first time. We go live every now and then, whenever I feel like. That's when we go live. All right, so I come live maybe like at 3 p.m, maybe like at 4. It depends. Just whenever I feel like I come live. So that's the reason why you should, in that case, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future streams. All right, so to avoid missing out, just subscribe to the channel. As easy as that. All right. Yeah, man, look at that. But I took one trade on gold. I took just one trade. Normally I'll test the waters and see if maybe price is intentional about what it wants to do. So right now it looks like it's rejecting that level, and I don't know what's happening, but let's see. It's just a Friday, man. So I love the fact that when you are taking a trade, you always say maybe it would be good trade, and not expect exactly. So I mean, trading should really be taken like a business, right? So ideally, when you take a trade, it's not like you have to be so confident. I mean, if you have to be extremely confident, you should also bear in mind there's risks involved, right? So you could lose, you could make money. So it's either of the two. The days you're gonna win, the days you're gonna lose. The weeks you're gonna lose, there are months you're gonna lose, and you have to let that settle in with you. But again, if you don't want to let that settle in with you, it's gonna be very hard for you to emerge in trading as becoming a successful trader. You know, because some days it's really going to just be, you know, like very bad, and some weeks is really going to be like terrible weeks. So, you know, you need to be ready for that. You need to be very ready for that. So we took a trade here. Now it's in a drawdown, but let's see. We're going to give it a bit more time. This candle still has like 24 more minutes to close. Yeah, so don't ask me why I put a stop up here, for the mere reason that if price was to break the high of this current candle, I know it could continue ranging, or it could continue going to the upside. All right, that's the only reason why I put a stop there. All right, and also it's just to ensure that you're losing less every time you're losing, and every time you make money, you're making more money. All right, so I try by all means to lose as way less as I can to make more money every time that I actually trade. All right, so lose less, make more when you win. So that's basically how it works. Yeah, but this is a filthy trade. Filthy. Let's see. This candle has like 20 more minutes to go. So I can't say it's a bad trade. It's still in motion. You know, it could play out perfectly. You know, so let's see. Maybe we could make some money together on the stream. You know, who knows? Maybe we could. Just maybe. Don't you think the stop loss is too close? No, it's not too close. It's not too close. It's not too close. You know, every time you're trading, right, understand that your duty is to preserve your capital, right? As a trader, your duty is to preserve the money you have in your account, all right? So if you're going to make a stop this big, okay, be ready to also lose way more, all right? Of course, if you're going to risk, you know, responsibly as you wish, you know, but I had to have like a huge stop. I'd rather have a stop where it makes sense and it's exactly as it should be, right? So this for me is not a tight stop. It's like 50 points is good, at an expense of trying to make like 150 points also. So it's okay. It's where it's supposed to be. It's not too close. It's not too far. It's where it's supposed to be. If the stop is hit, I'm out of the trade. I lose whatever I lose, which is way less than me putting a stop somewhere here. If I put a stop here, all right, and I let this trade run, jiggle around, and it hits it, all right, I'm gonna lose way more here than what I would have lost somewhere here. That's the logic, I think. That's the logic. Lose less every time you lose, make more every time you make money. All right, and the whole idea behind the stop that I put here is for the core purpose that every time I take a trade, if that's my entry confirmation candle, I put the stop above the high or low of that candle. So it's literally above this high. So I mean, that's my entry confirmation candle. If the candle turns around, you know, I lose money, which is okay. Euro USD. Are you going to talk about nas100 today? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Everybody's asking that. I make the markets nice. But you're always laughing often. You're always laughing, man. I wonder what you're always laughing about. You're a joyful person, maybe. A joyful guy. Someone says, what low size on currencies pairs would you recommend for $100 account? Use the lowest lot size. Maybe 0.01s and 0.02s. That account is very small. It's very, very small. What made you profitable as a trader? I think it's just the idea of embracing information. Yeah. So you know, the more you know, the more you function. The less you know, the less you function. That's what I say. You can only function in the spheres of the things you know, and you can't function around things that you don't know, right? If you're not informed about something, you really can't tackle it, right? So I always you know, prioritize getting quality education, quality information, understanding markets a whole lot better. All right, detailing on charts, detailing on prices, detailing on assets, behaviors, and all of that. All right, it's only when you start thinking of investing in yourself does your life actually turn around as well. Right, like, okay, fine, you've been failing at this thing for some time, and you know the only way you can stop failing is maybe if you acquired some information around it. That's going to help you build some stamina. That's going to be like the blueprint. Like, it's going to open up your understanding. You know, so the things you don't know now is the reason why you're stuck where you are right now. Okay, that's what I believe. Like, you're riding a bicycle to work. There's a different guy who's riding a Mercedes to work. All right, the guy riding a Mercedes knows something better than what you know. All right, that's the reason why you're in your position right now. Okay, and you're riding your bike to work. But the guy who's going to his work with a Mercedes knows something better than what you know. All right, so why not strive to know what the guy who's driving a Mercedes knows? Because you're only riding a bike. But if you're gonna say, you know, these guys, you know, they're just so pompous, you know, they just like to flash, you know, it's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you. You might think it's helping you, but it's not gonna help you. You know, and people really never realize this, right? Trust me, like I see some people really you know, make excuses for everything in life. All right, and every time they make an excuse, they think there's maybe their families are gonna back them up. They're gonna, you know, see sense in that, right? Like one thing my family doesn't do, like even the people close to me, is they never back me up if I'm making an excuse about anything. Like they know, okay, fine, we should be doing this, but all of a sudden I start making an excuse about it. They're not backing, like, hey, look, we should be doing this thing actually. You know, why are you falling off from this? You know, why don't you want to do this anymore? All right, but there's people who make up excuses. You know, sort of like that's how they live their lives. Like they feed on excuses, and they feel okay. Like their ego is really like, you know, it's put in perspective. Maybe if you put it that way. Anyway, just joined in, watching live from Chongwei. Awesome. T Bliss, how is Chongwei, my man? Hope Chongwei is good. We're in a trade right now. It's in a drawdown. Yeah. So you're watching from Chongwei. We are in a, how many points drawdown is this? This is 12 points. It's fluctuating between 28 to like 12 points and stuff. Yeah, so we're in a drawdown right now. He's always happy and joyful. Yeah, I think it's good to have such a life, man. I asked him one day, is there ever a day when he's sad? I don't know what his response was, but it's good to be like that. I'm not yet consistent, but I'm seeing myself coming up all because of your simple setups. And I know that I'll be good as you are. Yeah, you could even be better than me. Trust me. If you could just keep detailing, invest in yourself, join our bootcamp. If you can come and learn more to this style, understand the other sides to it than what you just see on the streams. Yeah, I mean, I think you could become better with time. Right. So my overall perspective of this trade is that maybe price would want to make the same move it made here to down this side if it was to leave this range. It kind of feels like it hasn't left the ranges yet. You know, small reason why I just have like one position to test the waters and see if this candle can really close down here. That's what I do. Like I want to wait to see if this candle can really close below this level. If it can, maybe I can add another position. If it can't, I can't add another position. I can't do that. Let's look at Nasdaq as well. Let's look at Nasdaq. All right. Everybody's asking me about Nasdaq. Nasdaq had a huge drop yesterday. I took a loss here. Took a loss yesterday, man. Crazy. Because it was so bullish based off like stock performance and a couple other factors that I was looking at fundamentally, but things just changed, just like how things are looking like right now. Things just look so crazy right now. Look at this. Look at Microsoft down 1.8%, Nvidia 8%. Crazy. Look at Amazon, man. Negative 2%. Look at Google. 2%. Apple's down 1% too. Meta's down 2%. Could this mean that markets might continue going downside? Yeah, I mean, even if they were, let's look at the detail to this price action, right? Let's say that we have a resistance level somewhere here, right? Yeah, not let's say, but we have a resistance level right there, okay? And then let's also say that we do actually have a support level, kind of a similar setup we have on gold, right? You guys see it? Yeah, so you know what we do? We don't trade inside here. This is a no trade zone. No trade zone. So we don't trade inside here. So we're gonna wait to see if maybe price can break 20,006 or 20,005. If that can happen, I think joy is gonna come. But even though we would look at a break, right? We need to also understand what is price doing on the left side if it was to break to the downside. Okay, let's look at it this way. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. The left side has this resistance level that maybe price is retesting, and then if you look left, all right, there's a wick that price is trying to fill. All right, you guys see this? There's wicks from way back November 19th, this week here, the price might be trying to fill. So maybe if we were to look at the tip of this week, all right, to try like understand exactly, you know, the potential behind this move here. All right, so maybe the potential behind this move might then be at this level. Let's go back to, okay, fine. So this is the 20th. No, this is 19th. So if we go back to like 19th of November, right, which is the same spot that we're at right now, there. All right, so maybe if price can actually break the low here, we'll have about like, how many points is this? Maybe like about like 130 points. No, actually this is like 200 points. Yeah, 20 points actually. So we have like 20 points to the downside if price was to break this support level. If it doesn't, we can look for buys maybe above this level all the way to this specific resistance level, which is here. And that might be, you know, about like 300 points, maybe 400 points. Only if the break upside can happen. Your go trade is moving. Really? It's not my go trade. It's our go trade. We took it together. Didn't we take the trade together? I was telling you to take the trade also. So let's see anyway. Let's see. But this is the Nasdaq setup that we have here. And perhaps maybe, depending on how the day goes, we could take it. Mr. Nas, give me that shirt. All right, come and get it. How much did you start with when you started trading? I think I started with $100 and I lost it within the first 30 minutes. Yeah, within the first 30 minutes. Yeah, I didn't know anything about lot sizing. I didn't know anything about risk. I just took trades, closed my eyes. The next time I opened them, count was gone. How to avoid fake outs? I can't say all the time you will avoid fake outs. Just look at how candles are printing. All right, look at how candles. Sometimes even like, let's say the way gold is right now. Okay, if we go back to gold, the way gold is right now, we can make reference to a lower time frame to kind of like understand the way candles are closing. All right, if candles were to start closing bearish on this 15 minutes, I mean bullish on this 15 minutes time frame, maybe then we can say that could end up to being a fake out on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, but the fact that candles are still closing bearish, do you see candles closing bearish even on the 5 minutes time frame? It's because there's so much volume concentrated towards one direction. So whatever is happening right now, even though we took our trade somewhere down here, whatever is happening right now is basically just maybe an imbalance of volume. Yeah, maybe just an imbalance, right? But maybe after that, regardless, price could go to our direction. Who knows? Yeah, you know. So I would say if you want to figure out you know, how to avoid a fake out, lower the time frame from the one you're at and understand how candles are printing on a lower time frame. When is the bootcamp? It's on the 14th of March. Yes, and I'm so excited about that bootcamp. I'm really so excited. I'm really so excited. It's 14th of March. It is 14th of March. And you guys can register right now to join us for this bootcamp. It's going to be amazing. I know it's going to be amazing. There we go. 14th to 16th of March. Yeah, should be really amazing. Can you also look at a currency pair? Yes, I will look at a currency pair. But you see, the funny thing about trading is this, right? And also if you guys maybe haven't figured out this. If you are going to trade, figure out the assets that are moving around the time that you are trying to actually trade. All right, like figure out the fast moving assets, you know, figure out the, you know, the assets with volume. Figure out the assets with volume. That's, I think, the, you know, what I can tell you. Figure out the assets that have volume as of that moment. All right, like gold right now has so much volume. It has so much volume, and maybe we can make like a good 140 points off this one if it can play out perfectly. Maybe we could. Is there anything else you look at with regards to your trading strategy besides what you share on the streams? Yes, there is a lot more than just this. And you can learn most of that in my paid courses, man. Okay. Yeah, you can learn more of that in my paid courses. The hell is happening here? Okay. Are you employing people right now? No. I've asked for Xmas t-shirt. You can come and get it. Charles, you can come and get it. Charles, actually you are in Botswana, is it? Charles, yeah, Charles, you should be in Botswana. I could send one for you. In fact, I have somebody in Botswana who has, you know, so I think they could give you. It's, yeah, I think I could connect you to somebody who can give you a shirt. As easy as that. When is the bootcamp again? Oh man, look at the screen. There's something rolling on the screen right now. Something rolling on the screen. What is the minimum amount to open an account? $10. So what you can do is go to the description, use the link in the description, open an Access account, and you can test with $10 and see if you can fund with $10. But you will definitely. Look at that. Didn't I give you guys a trade on a stream right now? Look at that. Simplicity. Keeping things very simple, man. Look at that. Look at that. This is about 31 points up right now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this beauty. I don't know how long this is going to last for, but we have 10 minutes before this candle closes. And if it can close bearish below this level, we would have broken that support. And maybe the next candle might actually appear to look like this. It might open, create a high, and then start going to the downside. Okay? Open again, create a high, start going to the downside. This is how candles move. Ready? But we win some money right now. Win some money right now. How much is your paid course? It differs. In person is like 8,000 what? 8,005. Online is like 4,000 what? 4,005. And then we have a bootcamp, which is the cheapest of them all. It's 2,005. Right? And we don't host bootcamps every now and then. It's the same information. It's the same concept. It's the same everything that's shared in these bootcamps. Just that it's compressed in 3 days. Then you get mentorship thereafter for like 3 months, which is still okay. Yeah, if it wasn't Forex, what would you be doing for a living? Maybe I'll be like breaking into people's houses and maybe like just steal some things and just for a living. I think maybe I'll be doing that. Maybe I think I'll be doing that. Can you check out BTC? Okay, fine, I will. Yes, I'm in Botswana. All right, Charles, just hit me up. You have my number actually. I'll connect you to somebody. In fact, let me try and see if I can connect to somebody right now. Let me give a guy your number. His name is it, how do you pronounce this? Ntwani, something like that. He's a very, very good friend of mine. Let me give him your number right now. Okay? Are you okay with that? Charles? Should I give the guy your number? He's a very good guy. You probably learn a lot from him too. He's in Botswana too. Should I give the guy your number? Charles? Robbing banks. Yeah, I would have been robbing banks maybe. And by now, maybe we would have been shot by the C5 or something. Shout out to Mr. Nas. The sarcasm is... That's not what we come here for though. Oh, we come here. Up $20. Same trade. Nice. Beautiful. Woo. Nice. Beautiful. Sorry? Okay, there we go. Sir, I need a job. Ooh. I also need a job, man. Also need a job. Also need a job. I also need a job. Even me, sir, I need a shirt. Come for our trading stations. You get a shirt. We have a lot of stuff here. We have some shirts here. Maybe we do have a lot of shirts. Yeah, but open an account with Exodus first. All right, and then come and get a free shirt, free cape, free everything. How many bootcamps are you going to have this year? Maybe 2. Yeah, and I'll stand on that word. Just maybe 2. Maybe this is going to be the first one. The next one is maybe going to be online. Yeah, so this could be the only in person, and maybe the next one's going to be online. Yeah, just that. Don't have so much energy to do lots of bootcamps. Dealing with people is so hectic. You want to ensure that everybody gets value for what they're actually trying to execute. It's not a game of just pay me and I come. No, it's a game of exchange of value. All right. So you're getting a slot for fee to come and get value from me that I have about these things. All right, and which is the detail to the value that I actually provide. So yeah, man, it's like that. Is the Fallen Next still proactive? Yes, I am still trading on pro firms. If I'm not too loud about something, doesn't mean I'm not doing it. Trust me. I have my times. So I did that journey for you guys, and I'm still gonna drop the other video. When are you dropping that video? Maybe next week? Yeah, maybe next week. Yeah. So it's just that it's taking some time. But again, I did that strictly to just prove to you guys that look, there's pro firms also, and you can get more funding from these companies, right? Not like I'm still not doing it. I'm still doing it. All right. Yeah, but I always say security is having your own personal accounts. More reason why I have accounts with Exness, right? And that's where most of my trading money is, right? And that's where my security is basically, because I know I can get out money every now and then easily. It's basically withdraw when you want. So yeah, I mean, with pro firms, someday they can wake up and be like, hey man, you broke a rule, so we can't give you your money. All right, and that sucks to be told that. It really sucks. And they could be right. Maybe you broke a rule or something. How much money are you up right now, Mr. Nas? Let me check. I'm up 4,000. I'm going to add another position in 5 minutes. Yes, in 5 minutes. I'll add one more position. In 5 minutes, I'll add a position. Trust me, I'm adding a position in 5 minutes. 5. This thing is retracing though. I want to add a position. In 5 minutes, I want to add a position. Can we add a position in 5 minutes? Yeah, we could. I'm trying to take something here. This kind of closes in like 4 minutes. So maybe in 5-7 minutes, I'm going to add a position. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe we could add a good position. Somebody says, can I still jump on this trade? All up to you. Let's lose some money together. All up to you. So you won't make 50K this week? Maybe not. Yeah, markets were very rough. Maybe not. But I haven't lost my account. So right now I'm up 4,000 and I'm thinking of adding another position in about 3 minutes. Yeah. Also having problems withdrawing money from Exness using Binance. What problem is that? Everything is straightforward, Emmanuel. You're probably just not figuring out something. What is the problem? What are they saying? What are they telling you? Happy birthday to your wife. Thanks. Can I still jump? Okay, I think I answered that. How about Forex Supreme's t-shirts? There's still a lot here, but I don't have any in Botswana. Yeah. Okay, so I'll give the guy your number, Charles, all right? He's going to get in touch with you. His name is Twana, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to give him your number right now. Yeah, done. I've forwarded your number to him, all right? Then he's gonna get in touch with you and he's gonna assist you. True, markets humbled us this week. Yes, you need to get humbled sometime. I also get humbled, man. But you see, the thing is with me, when I get humbled, I try by all means to lose way less. Okay, lose way less every time you lose, make more every time you make money. All right. Yeah, it's almost like when you start losing, when price starts moving against you, start finding reasons quickly to close your trade, right? Start investigating how candles are moving in that moment. How quickly can you close those positions? If you can figure that out quickly, then you'll be very safe. Yeah, you'll be very safe. Enjoying the live stream, learning from the best. Anytime, Alan. Always good to have you here. Always good. I hope you're making money too, man. Look at that. Look at that. And some people who's doubting Thomas, we're doubting, he's not going to go down. It's not going to go down. Somebody's like, this stop is so tight. No, man. No. Put your stop where it has to be and ensure you lose less every time you lose. And that's the goal. Lose less every time you lose. And we're up about like 60 points. Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy. Let me make a video for my Instagram, right? So we can show these guys what we're doing and what we're made of right here on the stream. Yeah. Thank you for the trade. You're welcome, man. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. Ooh, look at that. I can't add a position right there because the trade is already like halfway to my trade plan. Halfway to play out entirely. I can't add a position right there. All right? I just can't. I can't. No, I didn't run away. I'm still here. I wouldn't run away if we're winning, man. Only if we took a loss, I would run away. All right? Yeah, I would. Right on stream, live right now. We're up about like 60 points with everybody else here. with everybody else on stream, live on YouTube right now. Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let me know in the chat how much you're making right now. Let me know how much you're making on this gold trade right now. We took this gold trade from the genesis of it. Let me know how much you guys are making right now. I want to see it. I want to see it. I saw a guy here. Okay, says it's up $20. That was like maybe like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, but maybe even like 10 minutes or something. Let me know how much you guys are making right now. Let me know. Let me know. Let's go. How much are you making? This is free money on stream. Nobody does this. Free money on stream. How much you making? If you don't tell me how much you're making, I'm going to end this stream right now. If you don't tell me how much you're making, I'm going to end this stream right. Okay. So you know what we do? We're going to secure some profits here. Yeah, because this is, I think, some good profits. 6,000 is okay. Okay. I make back part of the loss I made yesterday. And there we go, man. We close profits. We're waiting for that overall 1 to 3. No, I closed. Let me know how much you're making. If you want to close, to close, man. Close like right now. How much you're making right now? Let me know how much you're making. What am I looking for? Okay. There we go. How much you making? Let's go. Let's go. Let me know how much you're making. Great work, sir. Anytime, man. Anytime, you're welcome. You're so much welcome. You are so much welcome. And we have, I think, Nasdaq coming up. All right. Very easy setup here too. One of my most favorite setups when the market is ranging. I love to see a market ranging. Yeah, I love to see a market ranging. I love to see a market ranging. I love to see a market ranging. Let me know how much you're making right now. If you don't tell me how much you're making, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna end the stream right now. If you don't tell me how much you're making, I'm gonna end it right now. Okay, fine. Maybe some people didn't take this trade. Okay, I see people posting now. Nice. See people posting now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I see people posting right now. Beautiful. Look at that. 50 bucks, $43, 500 rands, 300 rands. These are $21 and 1,000 rands. Beautiful. 1,000 rands. Beautiful. $35. Awesome. Beautiful. Live on YouTube right now. Yeah. Look at that, man. Look at that drop. Isn't this amazing? How we just caught this trade with the most simplistic approach. Yeah. But sir, why didn't you send the same signal too? Oh, it was for you right here on stream. Don't tell them that I gave you a trade here. Come on, man. Come on. All right. This trade was for you on stream. It wasn't for the signal platform. It was for you today. I appreciate that you made this today. 436 on a pro firm request payout next week. Ooh. But I don't like your name. The Coochie man. What the hell is that? What the hell does that mean? What the hell does it mean? This context, what does it mean? Coochie. Funny? The Coochie man? It's a slang? Yeah. What did you do? What did you do? Okay. He's explaining this. Someone's explaining this behind the scenes here. I don't like your name, man. You need to change that name, please. Coochie man is just don't use that name, please. Everybody's laughing at this one. Coochie man is no. He has to defend himself. He has a payout in like a week or something, but he's a Coochie man. All right, we'll let you go by that. 100 pounds. Wow, nice, Joshua. Beautiful, man. And Joshua's one of my good students. I see this guy everywhere on the platforms. Amazing. Good to see that. 100 pounds is good. I'm out of this trade personally. All right. I took 6,000. The aim was to make maybe like 10, but no. We're good. We are very good. This is like right now about like 90 points. But that's his name, Mr. Nas. No, I don't think that's his name. I don't think that's his name. I really don't think that's his name. I think it's got a different name, but he just likes Gucci. And Gucci maybe is money for him. All right, man, let's look at Nasdaq. I'm out of this trade personally. If you're still in it, all the best. I'm out of it. All right. But I don't jump from one trade to the other swiftly like that. So here I'm gonna wait. Let me show you guys something that I observed about Nasdaq. Right, I want you to pay attention here. Right, this is like very, very interesting. Okay, let me show you one thing I observed about Nasdaq, especially when it comes down to the New York session open. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention to this. Now look at this. New York session open is what? Is 4:30, right? Is it 4:30? Yeah, it is 4:30. So it's 4:30, okay? 4:30, which is like 16:30, okay? So I'm gonna put a line here, okay? And I'm gonna go to a 5 minutes time frame. All right, so I'll put a blue line somewhere. All right, the blue line I'm gonna go to a 5 minutes time frame, and then I want you guys to observe quite well, okay? Do you guys see this? Okay, so this candle that closes at 4, which is like 16 what? This is like 16:35, all right? Like 5 minutes after the open, apparently, from the look of things, is what normally gives the overall direction for the market, depending on the size of that candle when the session actually opens. All right, I'm not trying to say this is like some holy grail. Please, okay, you need to add on some, you know, some analysis to this. Right, this is just my mere observation. Okay, and sometimes I would look at it that way. All right, 5 minutes candle, right after the session opens, the first 5 minutes candle is normally what will give you some kind of like overall direction of where that market is headed to for that session. Now let's look at this way, all right? So this was for yesterday, all right? Though it looked like a break, but then it ended up being a fake out, so we lost on that one. But again, let's look at a different day. Let's look at this other day where I think it was somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Yes, somewhere around here. Do you see that? This is 16:30, all right? So this is 16:30 right here. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit, all right, pay attention to the candle that actually closes the first 5 minutes, all right, after session open. It is that bullish candle, all right? You see that? So if you bought right here with the mind that, look, perhaps maybe this is like indecisive. I mean, perhaps maybe this is like decisive based off analysis, obviously, not just like based off this, right? Just based off analysis. You realize that price eventually, you know, takes off, goes all the way to the upside. Yeah, if you got it, you got it. If you didn't get it, you didn't get it. But man, I hope I shared something very insightful right there with you. Again, if you look at a different day, let's look at this day. Let's look at 16:30. There's always something about the first candle that closes 5 minutes after the session opens. There's always something about it. Right. It also depends with how it's closing, if it's creating support, if it's actually below support. Like if you look at this here, all right, the first candle was bullish, but we just came from a bearish recent candle and it didn't break the high of that recent candle. Okay, it did break the high, but again, it closed below there, right? And then thereafter, this candle closed below and it goes all the way to the downside. Incredible, man, incredible. Anyway, let's leave this before somebody says that's not true. It doesn't work like that. All right, let's get to how many likes. Let's see. For us to continue this stream, can we get, how many likes do we have right now? People just like to make money here. They don't want to like the stream or subscribe to the stream, to the channel. People just like to enjoy this. Let's get to at least 75 likes in 5 minutes. Then I'll continue the stream all the way down to New York session open. If we can't do that, I'm going to end the stream right now. All right. And I'll stick to my word. I'm going to end the stream right now. So 5 minutes to get to 75 likes. Let's go right now. Let's go. So price is ranging here. That was a nice trade on gold, right? Yeah, almost a TP. Yeah, it could continue going downside. Yes, it could. It could actually. But that was a very nice trade. Let's get to 75 likes. Right now we have about 35 likes, which is not good. Let's go. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. 47 likes. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Oh man, look at this. That candle's rejecting right there. If I was you, I made like $100 on this stream. I'll save up a bit of that to come for the bootcamp and actually learn more behind what we did right here. If I was you, if I really was you, because I'll prioritize investing back in myself, trying to get more information, more insights to this thing that's worked in front of everybody right here, just like it does every time. So yeah. So I'll check out your study. No, give me 75 likes in 2 minutes, then I'll check it out. If you can't, we're gonna end the stream in now 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. We're gonna end the stream. 60 likes now, yes. But in 2 minutes, we're going to end the stream. Yeah, we're gonna end the stream in 2 minutes. I'm making money for your classes. Nice, nice, nice. Making money to invest back in yourself. It doesn't sound like a loss to me. Sounds like a huge investment. It's an insult. Oh, coochie is an insult, right? I didn't know. It's a new word, man. Let me check on ChatGPT. Maybe you guys are deceiving me here. Let's check on ChatGPT. What does coochie mean? Yeah. It's a slang term that refers to a female's genitals. Ooh. Okay. Sometimes provocative context, especially in music, social media. Okay. Man, you need to change that name. Yeah, you need to change that name. Please, you need to change that name. You need to change that name. Now 30 seconds, and we are not yet at 75 likes. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. People don't want us to be live here. Yeah, they don't want us to be live here. They don't want us to be live here. Okay. 30 seconds out. I'll see you guys. Okay, I'm out of here. Okay. Was nice while we have you. While we had you. Right, what a stream. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Trade safely. And I'll see you guys maybe on Monday, maybe on Tuesday. Back on stream, right? Meantime, bye-bye. Be part of the bootcamp. I'll put a link in the description somewhere. If you can, join. Don't miss out on that, right? This is like something you don't want to miss out on. Trust me. Especially now that it's actually happening, right? Meantime, peace out. Have a good time.